Thanks everybody for tuning in. We are driving the Porsche Boxster S. I just picked it up from the shop, got some repairs done. It's been a while since I posted. I'm going to get it cleaned up and we'll do another walk around. If you watch my other video, you can see kind of some of the ideas, some of the plans that I had for this thing, which I have executed, which if you stay tuned, you will see. But one thing I wanted to do for you guys, man, why I love these Boxsters so much. So what I did is I actually removed the engine cover on this thing, and it sounds really, really good, and it is freaking loud. Of course, I'm just going to get on the highway here. Once again, my people. That sounds freaking amazing. Got the rear engine cover off. It's really loud. I don't mind driving it like this. The average person probably would mind. We're going to do another pull here and go back to the garage. I got to get this thing cleaned up, but anyways. Just going to use this thing here. We'll get the revs up. Amazing. That is a proper Flat 6. I don't care what anybody says. They try to make fun of these cars, but I'm telling you, they have never owned one. Like that sound, I don't know what to tell you. So stock Boxster S, just have the engine cover removed and the heat shield as well. Man, that sounds good. Get one, get one, get one. What are you waiting for? Not endorsed by Porsche. I wish I was, but... Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I thought that sounded absolutely glorious. Raw, flat six noises. Other than the creaking, I'm sure I'm going to get bashed in the comments. But, oh man, this does put a smile on your face. And I'm telling you guys, excellent bang for the buck. What a car.